Right, this is just a little explanation of message types. I will be adding a few more later on, but let's just have a look at these conversations. The group icon here indicates that this is in fact a group MMS. The rest of them are just simple texts, which are via SMS. Now, in Smart Messenger, at the moment, I've got three message types. SMS is pretty self-explanatory. It's important to note that if I was going to send multiple SMS, so let's, in fact, we can't add Natalie again. Let's add Maria. It's important to know that if I actually sent this text as an SMS, it would send two SMSs. Obviously, one to Nat, one to Maria. It's up to us to say, well, we know it's an MMS, now it's going to be a group MMS. Because that's exactly what a group message is on on a standard phone. It's an MMS. Now we've also got something called media SMS. Now what this is for myself in the United Kingdom, we pay a hell of a lot to send a single MMS. It would be the equivalent. Sometimes some carriers charge 60 pence, which would be like 85 or 90 cents. It's almost $1 to send an MMS. So what this does, the media SMS, is we can attach an image to it, or a file, or actually take a photo, and it will upload it to Google Drive, and it will embed the link in the SMS. Now, if the recipient is using Smart Messenger, it will just show up like an attachment. If they're not, they'll be able to click on the link and it will download instantly for them. And there's basically an unlimited file size with this as well. Now, another thing I just wanted to show is in settings, if we make sure that we are on advanced, and we go to MMS settings, right down at the bottom I believe. Oh no, it will be at the top. Or somewhere. Allow any file type. Now if I save that and come back in and we'll create an MMS, it will actually mean that now we can attach any file to an MMS. But this is dependent on the recipient client app being able to interpret the MIME type that you send. So the MIME type is just, think of it as a file extension and what the actual file is. So obviously the message content part is a text file. An image could be a portable network graphic, a PNG or a JPEG. But you could send a doc file as well, but it would be up to the recipient client to distinguish what that actually is. Obviously if you're both using Smart Messenger, then it would just work. And that's just a little brief overview of the different message types.